Ji mohan jawle thaga do Karbi Anglong itu jaga la nam to ase gole do Langvoku and plus ekta jaga te jawle ase itu la nam to ase Tara Langso to apni kan viewers apni kan dikhana obla itu views kan to ato apni kan ke itu views to dikhai bole ase guys to apni moila video khan to sai thakibi shode apni kan like comment share subscribe korbi dikhibo pabo alag alag videos khan to guys sai thakibi cho. So guys, how do you feel that this road, because you almost reached the place, you know, and I'm very excited to see the place actually. One time also I'm not visited now that it's Langvoku. It's almost reached the place, you know. So guys, let's see what will happen in that place. Okay guys, chalo. You guys, sometimes I use, cocktail language because sometimes I use Vietnamese and English plus as well Hindi because, place people can speak other language because of the I'm using sometimes, different language, okay? So guys, let's see. So guys, today we have reached one of the famous place in Karbi Anglong district in Assam. That is one picnic spot. In that place, we can see, we can enjoy lots of beauty, natural beauty, and one of the beautiful place and one of the famous place in Assam, Karbi Anglong. So I just want to introduce one of my friend. He is a first experience in this place. So guys, let's discuss with him. So guys, bro, can first of all you introduce yourself?
Okay.
Yeah.
My name is Nosa. I'm from Myanmar. Now today I reached the waterfall. Very enjoy, very nice place. Yes.
Okay. And
if you want to come also can come and visit.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Thank you. So you is the first experience in this place, right? Yeah, okay. Actually, now you are not experiencing another place in Karbi Anglong, I think, maybe, right? So we will enjoy in the next place also because in Karbi Anglong, lots of, tourist place and all are there. So today we will visit. That is also one of the famous place. So sometimes, we have lots of work every day, right? I want to ask again once more. So you introduce your college that you are coming from the college, no? So just tell to the viewers.
Yes, I'm studying the Harvest Bible College. My course is diploma or the British first year.
Okay, good. So guys, let's enjoy and we'll see the place all surround the area because it does not have a noise pollution, etc. Okay guys, let's go. Apni khan ke ekta sathi ke introduce kuribole mon ase to tai pra itula location la kiniga ase apni ke koi do de to sai se to apni itu ke kole kiniga ase itu jaga to kiniga bhal ase na kiniga ase
itula jaga to beshi bhal ase aro beshi to Nagaland para ahikina ete picnic khan na thake aro waterfall to porte ase to porte jabo lage to porte uthikina itu bridge ase itu bridge par hokina jaise gole sida opor te uthise gole waterfall tate pai jabo
aro viewers khan ke apni ki kole mon ase yate ahikina enjoy korbo lage na lage
yate ahikina jimane aise to enjoy korigina he jabo
acha to guys itu moila sathi ekjon taike log pai kina ko ase itu jaga to bhal ase apni khan ahikina kitaba enjoy korbe aro ite kitaba mon like olop stress thaka inika holebi apni khan ahikina itu sabo pare enjoy koro pare to guys apni khan sai thakbi moila videos aro apni khan ke alag khan holebi update kori thakibo itu yete ase takhan gari parking korobole kote holebi itu jaga te parking koribo pare to apni khan sai sabe to itu ase to apni khan picnic spot kun khan enjoy korobole mon ase gole do aro inka alag location khan sabole mon ase gole do apni ke moila videos khan sai thakbi guys to moila videos sai se gole do apni khan enjoy hobo aro fun thakibo alag location apni khan jabo pa nai itu jaga te plane kure ase koi kina plane kuri thakse gole be apni khan ai jaga to kine ka ase at least ekbar sai kina YouTube te sai kina holibe inika holibe apni kan sai kina oh itu jaga te bhal ase inika kuruli mon ase kule do moila video sabi apni kan dikhibo to guys jaga jaga alag alag jaga videos te dikhai dibo de to chau जो हाइट से डरता है उसको आगे आने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है लेकिन मैं तो डरता नहीं हूँ फिलहाल देखने वाला है अपना वाटरफॉल कोई क्लाइंबिंग करना चाहता है तो यहाँ पे क्लाइंबिंग कर सकता है ये देखिए गाइस ब्यूटीफुल व्यूज कोई हेलो मिस व्हाट हैपेंड कम
Yeah guys, next place we will visit one of the famous place. This also in Karbi Anglong, and the name of the place called Taralang. So it's located in Difu. Difu is a very beautiful city in Northeast India. That's one of the famous city. That's the ocean, you know, that gate or you know this that symbol of Karbis. All they have, and this also one of the famous the called no thank you. Okay guys, so let's enjoy.
Olive apni khan karne itu video banai dia ase to guys those who are new to my channel just to subscribe my channel as well as be enjoy always watch karne to Taralang solo area to apni khan karne dikhai dia ase to next sawar alag alag jaga